lake back you see. You can see the water is really crystal clear. I'll come down from the mountain there with snow caps on it. I'm going to sit down and eat my orange and enjoy it. So very nice. In the winter it's different again because it'll be all covered in snow.